Every single trader wants one exact thing, and that's a prop firm that doesn't deny your payouts. Now, with so many new prop firms out there, it really is hard to know which one puts their traders first. And that's why at CK Capital, we've designed everything with the funding programs that are clear, simple, and built around your success as well. Now, before we get into the different types of programs we've got to offer, what is it exactly that makes CK Capital stand out compared to the rest of the market? Well, first of all, we allow news trading, which means you can actually take advantage of them explosive moves without being penalized at all. Number two is going to be flexible payouts. So you can actually choose when you decide to take these payouts, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or on a monthly basis. And if you actually wait on that monthly payout, we allow you to keep up to 100% profit splits. So we don't even take a penny off of your earnings. Next is going to be reset and top up options. We know that mistakes happen, so we've actually built in this reset option at any point in your journey as well throughout the evaluation period. And we know trading conditions actually really matter, so spreads starting off from 0 pips is what CK Capital has to offer, giving you one of the tightest pricing available, putting more profit potential in your hands. And finally, 24/7 support from Monday to Friday from real people ready whenever you need them. It's not going to be them AI agents that you're used to with some of the other bigger prop firms, because when trading is stressful enough, you don't want a bad experience when you're dealing with support as well.
Alright everyone, so I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you do like what you're seeing, smash that like button down below and remember to hit subscribe, because it honestly means more than you can ever imagine, as our aim is to build this channel to give you all the hidden tips and tricks from a prop firm ourselves. Now, CK Capital is more than just the average prop firm, but we always aim to give you as much value as possible. Check out the links in the description to see what limited time deals we've got going on. With that being said, let's get straight back into the video. So now that we've explored some of the features of CK Capital, let's actually get into the various different challenge types to see which one works best for yourself. Now, for me personally, if you were to ever ask me, I always like to go for the one-step challenges, simply because it just makes it a lot easier on my psychology knowing that I only have one challenge type to pass. Now, for the 100k account and pretty much all of the others, it's the general 6% max loss with the profit target of 10%. Remember the consistency rule to actually abide to as well. When it comes to the two-step, it really is going to be your choice. Which one do you actually prefer? Is it, for example, on a 100k, you've got that max 8% drawdown with that profit target of 10%, or on the light accounts, you've got 8% max loss with the profit target of 6%. So it's a lot easier to pass, however, the consistency has to be much higher. When it comes to the middleweight, personally, I find this to be some of the best options over here, where the max loss is 12k, and then obviously the profit target is only 8% in total, with that consistency rating of 30% overall. Now, the unique thing about CK Capital is we even offer instant funding as well. cTrader, TradeLocker, and MT5, and especially for those of you who have been looking to go for MT5, you can even get a challenge size of $5,000. That will only set you back around $75 or so. So honestly, with these different various challenge types, you've got a bunch of options to choose from.
Now look, CK Capital isn't claiming to be perfect, and in fact, we aren't going to be the #1 anytime soon, but what we are offering is this: transparency and zero denials. And that is the most important thing when it really comes to any prop firm challenge, because you want to make sure that once you get that passed and you get them payouts, that you're going to be receiving your money for your hard-earned work. So what you've got is a fair evaluation, competitive conditions, and payouts that actually respect the trader. And that is truly what matters. And at the end of the day, CK Capital exists to transform traders into winners. And always remember, it's that us versus us mentality. You've got that community behind you. You've got that prop firm that truly wants your success. It's now time to actually go out and get it. You've got the tools, you've got the conditions, and finally the possibilities to even get 100% profit splits all on your terms as well. So if you're ready to stop searching and actually prove yourself as a trader, check the link down below, choose one of the programs that best fits you, and I will see you all in there. Take care, guys.